Someone told me button mushrooms are just empty calories with no nutrition. Really? Let's find out if that's true. And I think you will be surprised. Today, we're talking about one of the most common mushrooms you see in the grocery store. The white button mushroom. It's easy to find. Easy to cook. And so tasty. But are they actually good for you, or just filler food? Let's break it down. These little buttons are low-calorie but nutrient-rich. 1 cup of raw button mushrooms has only about 20 calories. That sounds light, but don't let it fool you. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals. Packed with B vitamins. Mushrooms give you energy by providing B vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. These are important for your brain and metabolism. Minerals that matter. They're a great source of selenium, an antioxidant that helps with your immune system, plus potassium. This helps for heart health, and copper for strong bones and nerves. Unique antioxidants. Here's something cool. Mushrooms contain ergothioneine and glutathione, 2 special antioxidants that protect your cells and may slow down aging. Just a quick reminder. Fiber and vitamin D. They've got fiber to keep digestion healthy. Here's a fact. If these little mushrooms are exposed to UV light, they're actually one of the only plant-based foods that give you vitamin D. Now for the practical upsides of these little guys. On top of all that, mushrooms are budget-friendly, easy to find, and super versatile. Toss them in salads. Sauté them with garlic. Add them to pasta. Soups. Stir-fries. Or just roast them up. They make meals taste richer without adding heavy calories. So no, button mushrooms are not empty calories. They're nutrient-dense little powerhouses. They are affordable, tasty, and simple to add to your everyday meals. If you love mushrooms, let me know how you like to cook them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Keep an eye out or follow Real Food Real Life, because I'll be posting more simple food facts that can make a big difference in your diet. See you at the next video!